A match struck unexpectedly in the dark. I believe we create our own life. Not necessarily our circumstances, though certainly we can have an impact on those as well. But we create our own life by how we imagine our life, the way we perceive the world, the meaning we give to it. My life and my business, which has been so integral to that life, has taught me many things over the years. Virginia Woolf said, "The great revelation perhaps never did come. Instead, there were daily miracles, illuminations, matches struck unexpectedly in the dark." This describes my life. Matches struck unexpectedly in the dark. Revelations, miracles, openings, light bulbs coming on, whatever you want to call it. Life has been one match struck after the other. They stay alight for a while and then dim again until the next one comes along to blind me. I seek them out. It's an amazing life. I spend an afternoon every other week with my mentor students. It's a small group, and we mostly talk about real estate deals and how to build an effective system and a portfolio of properties that'll feed us for the rest of our lives. It's a lot of fun. But despite the fact that none of us are scholars, we also talk about philosophy, ethics, intention, and what success actually looks like. One of the things that's most gratifying about this group is when someone on the call has an aha moment. One person will say something and you can see it in the listener. A light bulb comes on. The match is struck in the dark. These moments can be life-changing. They stick with you for a long time, and if you let them, they can cause the ground beneath you to shift, sometimes immediately, sometimes over time. One match in the dark can transform your entire life and way of thinking. When you change the way you think, your life changes and your fear dissipates, and it opens the door to success. My goal for my group is to help them reduce their fear and increase their intention. I want them to learn not just how to build wealth, but how to build themselves from wherever they start to wherever they want to go. There's an old story. I don't know where I first heard it. It goes something like this. A man sits paralyzed in a dark room. He's terrified because in the gloom, on the chair in front of him, is a deadly, venomous snake. It's poised to strike. He can't move. He can't get up. He can't take action. Then someone comes into the room and turns on the light. The light reveals the snake as just a piece of rope. The man's fear of the snake evaporates, never to return. That's what it's like to have a revelation, an epiphany, an unexpected match in the dark. Suddenly your fear goes away and you can move again. You can take action. You can impact your life and the life of others in ways that you haven't done so before. My hope for you is that you seek out these lights in your life, that you engineer ways to have them happen to you on a regular basis, that you stop living in fear, that you surround yourself with people who are trying to do the same in their lives. If that interests you, maybe you should look at my mentor program and join my group. If you want to work with me personally, you can find out all about my 6-month mentor program at zerodowninvesting.com. This website will show you how my program works, what's included, what it costs, what you can expect from me, and what I expect from you if you sign up. There are 3 training videos on the site that go into great detail about what you need to do to build a profitable real estate investing business. They add up to about 2 hours of video education. I call them my advanced training program because that's kind of what they are. If you don't know anything about real estate, they may even be a bit over your head. The techniques I teach in these videos come from my personal experience, and you won't find this information anywhere else. If you aren't interested in working with me personally, or you can't afford to join my mentor program, that's okay. These 3 videos will still be worth your while. They'll give you an overview of my entire business and show you how to model your business after the step-by-step systems I've created. Even if you ultimately decide not to join my mentor program, I can safely say this advanced training program could completely transform your thinking about real estate investing. I think these advanced training videos are one of the best programs I've ever created, and I don't charge a dime for them. They distill my 35 years as an investor and my 20 plus years as a coach, and they give you a complete outline of how we build a powerful, profitable, consistent, reliable, ethical, peaceful business. They give you the milestones, the benchmarks, the standard operating procedures you need to succeed. That's it for today. If you like this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and go to joecrumpblog.com and sign up for my free newsletter. I give away a lot of free information to the folks that are on that newsletter list. All right. Thanks now. Take care.